Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your password with Wells Fargo easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your password with Wells Fargo, begin by opening your web browser. Type in the Wells Fargo website URL and press enter. When the home page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will see a prompt for entering your username and password. Below the password field, locate and click on the Forgot Password link. A new page will open, guiding you through the password reset process. You will be asked to enter your username and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Fill in the required information and then click on the Continue button. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets Wells Fargo's security requirements. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. After confirming your new password, click on the Submit button. You should receive a success message indicating that your password has been reset. Now you can return to the login page to sign in with your new password. Make sure to remember your new password for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.